Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and what I'm going to show you today is some new kits that Stampin' Up will be launching at the beginning of June. Now these have been mentioned in the annual catalogue, and if you haven't got a catalogue then please send me an email. The link will be down below, or it's on there as well, which is yflitton@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to put one in the post. So these particular kits are a great starter for beginners. Not only do you get kits that have got stamps in them, but you also get kits that haven't, which is a brilliant idea. So I'm just going to show you the cards to start off with. As you can see, they are lovely cards. Now you'll get messages of congratulations, thinking of you, and thank you. And we have various designs. We've got all these elements are either stickers or you have the glue dots in the box. And I'll just show you. This is the box you'll get. And in the box, this particular kit is called Petal Notes card kit. So you have your envelopes, which is, you have 9 envelopes, which are these lovely pre-printed envelopes, and then there's even patterns on the inside of the envelopes. So you've got some stripes, some dots and some little triangles. The envelopes. Then you get your cards. So these are already I've got either patterns on them or they're pre-printed. So you get 3 of each design. You get your triangles, got the beautiful flowers there, and then you've got the like splodges. And then here we have the gold sticker. So this looks like a piece of twine just wrapped round and round and round, but it's actually a gold sticker. You get your sequins, your glue dots, and you get your messages. So here you can see I've used all 3 messages from this particular sheet. Now because it's actually in different languages as well, you could actually use the reverse of these to stamp your own messages on. So you've got perfect base for when you do get into stamping, then you can actually stamp your own messages on there, which I think is really good. So you get all the sentiments there. And then here we have some more sticker sheets where you've got some big flowers and some smaller flowers. And then you've got some other flowers, and then you've got some leaves of varying designs. You've got like an outline leaf and a full leaf. And these are the cards that you can make. Now in each kit there is full colour instructions, tell you where to put things. So this is an absolute beginner kit. As I say, you get everything in there to do your 9 cards. And then on the back there's even QR codes you can scan that take you to watch detailed instructions of how to put the kit together. And then there's also a beginning stamping. So that is your Petal Notes card kit. And I'll just bring the samples up a little bit more so you can see them. And you've got your little sequins on there. Again, you've got some gold sequins on this. So there's two different types of sequins that are on in your kit. And then we have the congratulations. So that is your Petal Notes card kit. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little demonstration of this kit. As I said, it will be available from June, and it's only available from the website. And I'll put links below to the shop where you can purchase these from the beginning of June. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I will be doing another little video shortly on some other card kits. Thank you very much. Bye bye.